Page 25, Unit 7, Lesson 3. Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the brain. The brain is a very important part of our body. It helps us think, feel and move. Our brain controls everything we do. Now let's look at some statements about the brain. I will tell you if each one is true or false. Statement 1. We only use about 10% of our brain. This statement is false. Some people say we only use 10% of our brain, but that is not true. We actually use almost all parts of our brain every day. Different parts of our brain work together to help us to do different things, like speaking, moving, and remembering. Statement 2. A sperm whale brain is bigger than the person brain. This statement is true. The sperm whale has the biggest brain in the animal kingdom. Its brain can weigh about 8 kilogram, while a human brain weighs about 1.4 kilogram. Even though the whale brain is bigger, our brain are more complex. This makes us good at problem solving and learning. Statement 3. There is a lot that we don't know about the brain. This statement is true. Scientists know many things about the brain, but there is still a lot we do not understand. The brain is very complicated, and there is much more to discover about how it works. Page 26, Unit 7, Lesson 3. The truth about the brain. Many people think that when we learn, our brain make new brain cell, but actually we create new connection between brain cells we already have. In fact, one brain cell can connect with up 10,000 others in the past. People believed the brain turned off when we want to sleep, but with new technology we now know that some parts of the brain stay active during sleep. Sleep is very important for learning because it helps us remember things better. In fact, people who get enough sleep can remember about 20% more than those who do not. For young people, research show that learning feels more interesting if they know how it can help them in real life. About 85% of students say they learn better when they understand why a topic is useful. So it's important for teachers to explain why lessons are helpful. Finally, our brain have a habit of telling us that things we agree with are a facts. When we disagree with something, we see it is an opinion. This happens naturally, but it's helpful to remember that just because we agree or disagree with something doesn't mean we are right.